Hello, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Dr. Nurani Damti Jumadi and we are going to continue our lecture on chapter 4, which is X-ray radiography. So what is an X-ray? X-ray is a common imaging test that have been used for decades. Well, from the X-ray image, the doctor can view the inside of the body without having to make any incision. So what is an X-ray image? The X-ray image is a photo which is taken by using the X-ray machine, and it is by fundamentally using the electromagnetic radiation through the body, and it will capture the image of the internal structure. So before we're going further, let's have a look on the contents of our lecture for today. So we're going to look into the principles of X-ray imaging. Okay. And then within the X-ray imaging principles, we are looking into the X-ray production and interaction within the tissue. Next, we're looking into the details on the instrumentation of X-ray imaging. After that, a complete details on how the X-ray images characteristics as well as the contrast agents, okay, and another complete explanation on the X-ray imaging methods and techniques. Now we will also look into the advanced technique, which is computed tomography. Alright, and we will see the clinical applications of X-ray radiography before we study the biological effects and safety of X-ray on human beings. So, as for the learning outcomes of this chapter, you are expected, as the students, you are expected to be able to understand the principles of X-ray imaging, okay, and then X-ray production as well as the interaction within the tissue. Next, you should be able to identify the instrumentation, the image characteristics, and X-ray contrast agents. The third one, you need to be able to understand the methods or techniques in X-ray imaging. Then, able to identify the applications of X-ray imaging in medical field. And finally, you will be aware on the biological effects of X-ray radiation exposure to human body and understanding the safety requirement in medical imaging. Alright, so let's go to before that, these two books are the main references, so you can borrow it from our library. So let's start our lecture on principles of X-ray imaging.